Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. This week is a really powerful week. Now, all month we have been talking about how to create your healthy life because you get to choose it. We focused on nutrition for 1 week. We focused on fitness for another week. But this week is when the rubber really meets the road. And we are talking about how to create a healthy mindset. Honestly, this is one of the things that I focus on for every single client, whether we be speaking in a one-on-one capacity or in a group setting, because we often don't realize what a huge impact our mindset can have on our health and wellness. So literally all week this week, I'm going to be coming on live at noon Central Time to share with you really tangible tips, tricks, and guidance to help you to create your healthy mindset. This is something that is often not discussed very much. And in fact, I was speaking to a lady a couple of weeks ago, and she was saying that her Weight Watchers group was just starting to speak more about mindset when it comes to our health and wellness. Because for a long time, we thought, okay, getting healthy is just about the food that you eat, or getting healthy is just about fitness. But it's not just about one thing. It's about your nutrition, it's about your fitness, it's about your mindset, and it's about your spirit as well. And when we combine all of those four things, that's when we really create a holistic, healthy life. You're creating your healthy you, which is so, so cool. So, like I said, every single day this week, I'm going to be guiding you with real tangible things that you can bring into your lifestyle every single day. There's going to be a really short live, but honestly, the work begins with you taking the guidance that I give you and implementing it, thinking about it, really writing things down and getting to grips with who it is that you show up as every day, but also who it is that you really want to be. So I hope that you'll join me 12 noon Central every single day for lots of guidance. So I'll be coming in less than 3 hours to talk about our first topic, which is your thoughts. Our thoughts create our reality, and I'm going to show you exactly why, but also how you can shift your thoughts to create your healthy you today. So I'm so excited to get started in this week's topic. It's going to be fantastic. If you know anybody else that you think would love this topic, please feel free to invite them into the group. The more the merrier, because this is something that can honestly transform how you look at food and also how you look at your body. So this is going to be a powerful week, and I cannot wait to get started with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know, of course, but I will see you today at 12 noon Central for our very first topic on your thoughts. See you then, guys. Have a great day until then, and I'll see you soon. Bye.